Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine.
I hope you'll stay as sweet as always. Love your parents and your daughter and always take care of them. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Jemima. 7th birthday. Sana tuloy-tuloy yung galing mo sa school. Dagdagan mo pa yung mga medalyang inuuwi mo para maganda. At saka lagi kang sumunod sa mga utos ng mami, daddy, lolo. At nandito kami lagi sa iyo na nakasubaybay.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine.
Happy 7th birthday, Jemima!
Bring on the summertime.
Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
Bring on the summertime.
Sana po ay ingatan ka po ng Diyos.
Happy birthday sa apo kong maganda. Sana always mabait at matalino. Happy birthday ulit, apo maganda.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes.
I hope today you are happy. I wish you a happy birthday again.
Bring on the summertime.
Wishing you to have a good health and study hard.
Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
In a perfect storybook, the world is brave and good. A hero takes your hand, a sweet love will find.
Hi Jemima, happy 7th birthday. Ito na yung inaantay nating 7th birthday celebration mo na pinaghandaan natin. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Ang wish ko sa iyo is maging successful in life and syempre God-fearing. Maging MCGI ka din, like mommy and daddy, and then lolo and lola. Happy 7th birthday, baby. Love you.
Trust in your heart and your soul shines forever and ever. Hold fast to kindness. Your light shines forever and ever. I believe in you and me. We are strong.
Happy birthday, anak. 7 years old ka na. Balita ako may crush ka na nga eh. So, natutuwa naman si Daddy kasi you are always talking about those stuff to Daddy. And I wish na sana you grow old with a very good and kind heart. You always love your parents, your grandparents, and your brother. And sana you always stay a sweet and God-fearing. Okay? So, I love you so much.
Trust in your heart and your soul.